To change the battery on the MK270 keyboard, go ahead and flip it over, and then you can go ahead and use your thumb here, and this is the little cutout that you want to push your thumb into, and then just pull up to reveal the battery, and then go ahead, take your index finger and push the battery here to the left, just so it pries up, just like this. You can take one battery out, let gravity take care of the rest to take the other battery. Now inserting is easy. Go ahead at a slight angle, push that one in. Again, make sure that you have the positive side here going in, facing this way at the top. Use a little bit of force to push that back in. And then all you have to do is make sure the two cutouts here that you see are lined at the back. You can go at a slight angle here and then come down and then just gently apply some pressure here till it fits back flush, and you would have changed the battery for the MK270 keyboard.